Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So it is Silkmas day 7. I think so. Yep. Y'all, we in day 7 already. So I wanted to do a little difference. I know I've been doing high density, thick long hair lately, so I wanted to kind of mix it up and do someone with, shorter, kind of on the finer side hair. So, everyone can kind of get a look at if they struggle with the same, or they can relate to the clients that I have, that I show y'all. That's my goal. So, yeah, I feel like you have to know when it's time to let go of those damaged, dead, split ends. And in her case, I was glad that she was ready to go ahead and cut the bad ends. Now her front was kind of thin, so she has a journey with that, so she's gonna be working with the front. But yeah, like, I do have some clients that struggle with trimming their hair. It's either PTSD from previous stylists or previous experiences of getting their hair trimmed. But I make sure, and I've been saying a lot lately, y'all, I make sure I tell clients, if you wait longer, going longer doesn't mean that you're gonna have more hair. No, you have to trim your hair if you want a certain look. If you want your hair to look full and thick and all the strands be in the same area. Because let me clarify that. Because at the end of the day, you can do whatever you want with your hair. You don't have to trim it if you don't want to. You can go years and years without trimming. But if you want a certain particular look of your hair, it's certain things that you have to do that's going to be for you so you can achieve that. So yeah, like, if you go a year without trimming your hair, you gonna need about 2 to 3 inches off. If you go 3 months without it, you probably gonna need like half an inch to an inch off. If you go like 4 to 6 weeks, you probably gonna need like fourth of an eighth of an inch. So it's like, the more you go to trim your hair, the less the stylist is supposed to be trimming. Now, if the stylist is trimming more than they supposed to be trimming, then you need to go find another stylist. That doesn't mean that every stylist does that, because that's not what's supposed to be done. Because if your hair is on a trim regimen, you should not be getting your ends trimmed, cut more than what's needed. Now, I feel that the only exception with that is if you suffer from a medical condition or had something internal going on, and you and your stylist had a consultation on a cut regimen that's custom to you and unique to you, then that's understandable too. So in those conditions, you might need more than what's needed because of what the medicine might be doing to your hair, or such and such like that, like medical conditions. But if you have, if your hair is okay and in a good state, you should be getting that regular, that standard trim, like that, when you need your regimen. So yeah, so I hope that helps you guys. I kind of want to make sure people know that more, like, because we so backwards with it. Like, people thinking that, I just want to grow my hair out. Yeah, grow it out, but you still need to maintain your ends if you want full, thick, even ends. Because splits, I'm telling you, splits and breakage would tear that hair up. So, but yeah, I hope this helps, and y'all have a good day, or night rather. Alright.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Hey. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine. If only you could see me now. If only